This is my box fan. This is all it does. This sound right here. You're just blowing the warm air around the room. So I said, you know what? Enough is enough. I bought this tower fan. Ta-da! And it comes with a remote. Ha-ha! Yes! Okay, so it's at setting 5. Did you hear that? Did you hear it? It's blowing cold air and it's oscillating. So it's like spinning the air around the room. All these settings. It's like a ridiculous amount of settings. Okay, I just turned it on to turbo mode. What? Okay, and this guy is smart. It like tells you what the temperature in the room is. So as the temperature lowers 5 degrees from 72, it'll go decrease its level of like intensity down to 3. Because it's like, okay, we did our job really good, bringing it down. And then if the temperature goes up all of a sudden, it's like, oh yeah, we'll increase our action. And listen how quiet that is, but it's still going. Just like a soft, calm breeze. This thing is tall. I am 5'2". It's like my little friend. Hey, whoa, watch it. The A button. I'm gonna have to learn all those buttons. I did not see the letter A on anything. Oh my God. Oh, advanced sleep button. Ooh.